Today we are looking at the stock price of Advent Technologies Holdings, and today the stock is up 4.8% and trading at $3.03. Today there has been an explosion in the volume of Advent Technologies. We are barely an hour and a half into the day's trading session, and so far we have a volume of 14 million and counting, compared to an average volume of just 8.2 million shares that would exchange hands. Previously, the stock closed at $2.89 and today it opened at $3.17. The 52-week range for Advent Technologies is from $1.13 all the way up to $10.14. The market capitalization of Advent Technologies is $156 million. Advent Technologies Holdings is an advanced materials and technology development company that operates in the fuel cell and hydrogen technology market. It develops, manufactures, and assembles fuel cell systems and critical components that determine the performance of hydrogen fuel cells and other energy systems. The company offers high temperature proton exchange membrane fuel cells and also electrode assemblies, membranes, and electrodes. It serves stationary and portable power, automotive, aviation, energy storage, and sensor markets. The company is headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, and employs 200 full-time employees. So, contract that should last, I believe, about 6 years, and it's worth $821 million, and that was on June 16th. So from the moment that was announced, the stock took off like a rocket to the moon, and I think that there might be some more room for this stock to grow over the next couple of weeks. If you look at the 5-day graph, you can see how the stock took off once that news hit the news wires, and then it rolls all the way up to about $4.20, and then it dropped slowly back to where we have it today at $3.01. But I think that the stock is heading upwards once they start executing on this contract, and they might have even more contracts coming their way. So this is a very huge deal for the company, and it's not just a one-off kind of deal. It's a multi-year contract, and so it's gonna keep the cash flow for the company healthy over at least the next couple of years. At the very top of your screens, guys, you can see that the S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000, everything seems to be in the green and doing healthy. So it's a great day for Wall Street. First day of summer solstice, and the markets seem to be doing great. We hope that we continue in this trajectory. The Fed, the Federal Reserve Bank, set the tone by increasing interest rates to 0.75%, which is the highest that they've done since 1994. So that really tells, it sends a message to the market that inflation was just out of hand, and they had to reel back everything, to slow things down, for people to stop, take a breather, and then group back together and continue with their lives. Because $5 a gallon of gas, it's just, people can only go for so long before then you have people just giving up and quitting their jobs, and just give up on working, because it just doesn't make sense. You'll be working just to pay for gas to go to work. So that's what the Feds did, and I think it was a very good thing, and you can see the market seems to be responding very favorably. We will see as the week goes on. This is a short week. Monday was a banking holiday. Wall Street was closed, so we will just keep a close watch and hope that the intended effect from the Federal Reserve Bank is exactly what we get. Thank you for your time. Please, before you leave, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are slowly making our way towards the 1000 subscriber mark, which is what we fixed as a target for ourselves by the midterm elections in November. And with every passing day, we seem to be getting 2 or at times 1 subscriber. And slow, but we're slowly inching our way towards our target. Thank you for your time once more. I will jump off here so you guys can put in your trades. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.